Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix the task not available issue in the Paidwork app on your phone. If you keep seeing this error trying to complete the offers or surveys, here's exactly how to fix it step by step. First of all, check your reason. First of all, go ahead and open your settings app, then search for storage. Go to storage and then look for your paid work and then click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps document and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, what you guys are gonna do is then reopen the paid work app and then refresh the offers and surveys tab. Then reopen paid work and refresh the offers and surveys tab. After that, this forces the app to reload available tasks. Now, if one section says tax not available, go to another. Try CPX research or Bitlabs under surveys or open offers at Gem Lootably or Revenue Wall. Next, what you guys are gonna do is each pro sorry each provider refreshes at different times, so one of them will usually have active tasks. Next, what you guys are gonna do is check your internet and log in. A weak connection or expired login can trigger this message. Switch stable Wi-Fi or mobile data to see if that works. Then that works. After that, wait for a refresh time. Paidwork servers update new tasks every few hours. The best times to check are morning 8 to 10 a.m. and evening 6 to 9 p.m. is your local time zone. Safety tip: never download random apps outside Paidwork's off wall and completely verified in app tasks. Others won't pay and may harm your account. Quick fix: if nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Paidwork. This resets your connection to the task network and usually fixes missing or blocked tasks. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.